Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. So the April base box choice items went live. Now, that should have been earlier. Everybody should have already picked their items. But if not, I'm going to show you the choices that were in the box. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you don't miss no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was the BoxyCharm March add-on spoilers and dates, and also the April choice dates. Congratulations, Pauline Lane. Pauline says, hi, Mandy. Well, hi, Pauline, honey. I'm so glad to see you here. Pauline, you're really fast with that bell, honey. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate you watching my videos and support my channel. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments pick. Never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So again, everybody should have already made their choices. If you didn't, if you missed the window, then you're going to be getting 1 out of these products that I'm about to show you. And again, this is for the April base box. So first up is Zoeva Cosmetics. Now they had 1 out of 10 different eyeshadow palettes. So you could have chose one of those eyeshadow palettes, or you could have chose the Elemis Superfood Calm Hydration Juice, or next up is the Elemis Calm Cleansing Foam. You could have picked either one of those items. And again, if you miss the window, you will be getting 1 out of all these items. And again, there's 10 different eyeshadows, so you could get one of those eyeshadow palettes. That's what I would have went for. So if you would, comment below and tell me which one you picked. Or if you didn't pick, which one are you hoping to get? And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check him out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Congratulations, Sandra Finney. Sandra says, hi Mandy, missed you and glad you're back. Well, I'm so glad to be back too, Sandra. Thank you, honey. I hope you're enjoying the videos. And I really appreciate you coming and supporting my channel, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, Sandra. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube is taking all my subscribers for some reason. Unsubscribing people. If you would, double check that. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are like and what I need to do more of. And one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.